In this short tutorial, you will learn how to turn on screen mirroring on an iPhone running iOS 18. Screen mirroring allows you to mirror your iPhone screen on another device, like a smart TV or computer. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit and tap General. After that, scroll down again and tap AirPlay and Continuity. Then tap Automatically AirPlay. What you want to do next is switch this from Never over to either Ask or Automatic. If you select Ask, your iPhone will prompt you to use AirPlay when it detects a compatible device nearby. This gives you the choice to connect or not. With the Automatic option, your iPhone will automatically AirPlay when it detects a compatible device without asking for confirmation. Once you've selected that, exit the Settings app and swipe down from the top right to access the control center. Then tap on this button. Now it will show you devices that you can connect to. Simply select the screen that you want to mirror to. So, that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.